You probably remember this, the cold and snow of winter. Chances are you haven't been thinking about it much lately, but winter isn't all that far off. Last year was actually a mild winter, but the question is, what will this winter be like? Cold, say some experts, with the possibility of an early frost. That possibility is based on studies of volcanic ash. Recent volcanoes have spewed out enough ash to create a huge cloud, a cloud that's blocking some of the sun's rays. Will Kellogg is a scientist with the National Center for Atmospheric Research in Boulder. He's been studying the cloud and has some theories.
The probability is that the hemisphere will be colder, suggests that we'll be colder also. But, you know, we've seen so many changes from one place to another. For instance, we can have a very warm winter while the East Coast will be freezing to death, and vice versa.
It's already been getting cold in the northeastern United States. Over the weekend, there was a light dusting of snow, and this is only August. Here in Colorado, there has already been a little bit of snow reported, but for the most part, it's been warm. Some experts would beg to differ with the cold winter theory, saying that if that were to happen, the monsoon season should have ended early this year. The fact is, the warm, moist flow of air has now gone on almost a month beyond normal. There are, of course, the scientific theories, and then there are the old wives' tales. Some farmers say that the husks on their ears of corn were tighter this year, and to them that means a colder than normal winter is on the way. You believe in old wives' tales?
Not really.
Years and years ago, my grandfather always told me, he says, hey, this is going to be an early winter, watch the horses and the cows, the hair starts to grow a little bit faster, a little bit sooner than what it should.
And this winter?
It's going to be a cold one, guarantee you.
Do you have any thoughts at all on whether or not this will be a cold or a warm winter?
It'll be very cold. The snow will come in September because the nights are very cold and wet.
We hear a lot of this, and those of us who are trying to understand the climate and trying to make, sensible forecasts of the future don't pay too much attention to it.
Wives' tales or scientific evidence, most conclusions are the same. So get ready, it just could be a chilly winter. Steve Anderson, News Center 4.